Content in your mobile app is displayed primarily in different screens called tabs. So here we're looking in the preview at the icons home screen, or the home tab, if you will. And each of the icons here is connected to a different tab. So if I tap on parking, it's going to take me to the parking tab. If I tap on events, it's going to take me to the events tab. So tabs are just a way of organizing different content areas within the app and presenting them in an easy way to navigate. If you'd like to manage the presentation of your tabs, you can do so by going to the mobile area and selecting tabs from the drop-down. So on the tab screen, we see a list of all the possible tabs that I have to work with. I can move tabs up and down in their presentation order by simply dragging and dropping the tab to the area I would like it to be. I can decide if I want a tab to be displayed within the app. I can do that by turning on or off the checkbox in the display column. So if I turn this off, that means that this particular tab will no longer be displayed within my app. And correspondingly, if I put a check in the checkbox, that means it will be displayed within my app. If I would like to change the icon or the label text, I can simply click on the tab, and it will allow me to put in the label I would like to be associated with that particular tab. If I do change the label, be sure to click on Update to make sure that change goes into effect. If I want to change the icon, I click on Change Image. It will present me with a library of icons to choose from. I can also upload my own icons. Beneath the icon area is a URL. This is a URL for the specific tab, and you can connect it to a QR code. Say, for example, I have a poster in a coffee shop for an event. Then I may want to direct people to the events area of my mobile app. And I can do that by grabbing the URL for that tab and connecting it with the QR code. I can also add these URLs to email and to other online content if I want to direct them into the app. Now, for many tabs, you also have the ability to manage content that's associated with that tab. So if we look at the cards home screen, it has that basic tab information up here that I can work with. I can decide if I wanted to display within the app. I can change the label, change the icon, change the URL if I like. Make sure to click on Update if you do change anything. So I change this checkbox. I need to make sure to click on Update. Now the other content that I can manage for this tab is displayed beneath it. So I can change the header image, and I can work and manage on the cards here. Some of the tabs you work with will redirect you to other areas of the control panel where you'll manage the content. For example, with events. If I click on that and I scroll down into the Manage tab area, it's going to redirect me to the area where I would manage the events or productions. You'll notice that some of the tabs have a wastebasket icon on the far right. This is a delete tab icon, and it applies to custom tabs that I have created or you have created for your app. You can delete custom tabs at any time. The other tabs do not have the wastebasket icon, and they are generated by the Instant Encore system, so you cannot delete them, but again, you can turn them on and off by simply toggling the Display in App checkbox in the column.